This is a story of a young man called Jed from Capetown, South Africa. So our friend Mr. Jed was looking into Buddhism and found out about Krishna from one of the books. He purchased a Bhagavad Gita just from some bookstore and read it, not Srila Prabhupada's Gita, and he didn't understand a word of it and came to know nothing about Krishna. So he still wanted to know more about Krishna. So he ordered a couple of books. He went on to Amazon online. He ordered a couple of books on life of Krishna. So the package was delivered, and when he opened the package, he was surprised that one of them was the book he hadn't ordered. And that was Srila Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita as it is. So he went again through his orders list, and yes, sure, he hadn't ordered that book. Oh, okay. So as it happens always, sometimes a wrong order is sent. So he started packing it to return it. Then it struck him. Anyway, Amazon has sent me, and I have there's a return window. So I have week or 10 days time. Let me go through a bit of it and see. So then and there he opened the book and started going through it, looking through it, and he was surprised to see such nice artwork, such nice printing and word-to-word transliteration. None of the books Gita he had seen earlier were anywhere in quality and in content near to this one. So he started reading this Gita right then and there. And after only one paragraph, he understood that this is the highest truth. Straight away, he located the Capetown temple and is now called Bhakta Jed. So Krishna, in his book form, is always performing wonderful pastimes. And every book distributor is a direct participant in those pastimes. We say these books are like time bombs. A bomb is a bomb. You are never safe in its proximity. Even when someone comes across, a World War II ammunition, the disposal squad, they make sure the whole neighborhood is vacated before diffusing it. So similarly, no one knows which of our books will hit whom and when. Books just need to leave the warehouse, and that's when all the game begins.